A 70-year-old Shaolin monk can move with more freedom, balance, and control than people half his age. And the strange part is, it is not because of expensive workouts, fancy equipment, or extreme training routines. These monks spent centuries mastering something much simpler. Movement the human body was naturally designed to do. No surgery, no complicated fitness programs, no endless hours in the gym, just a few powerful stretches practiced consistently for over 1,500 years. And today, you are about to learn 6 of the most effective ones. What makes these movements so interesting is that they do not just stretch muscles. They help restore patterns your body may have forgotten after years of sitting, stiffness, stress, and limited movement. In fact, many people notice changes after just one session. Standing feels easier. Walking feels smoother. Tightness starts disappearing from places they thought were permanently stiff. And the craziest part is, most of these movements look almost too simple to work. But do not underestimate simple, because sometimes the smallest movements reveal the biggest problems hiding inside the body. So let's begin with the first stretch, one that many people ignore at first, then end up doing almost every day because of how quickly it changes the way the body feels. The cat-cow spine wave. At first glance, this movement looks basic, almost harmless. But there is a reason variations of this stretch have survived for centuries in martial arts, yoga, rehabilitation, and mobility training. It works directly on one of the most important systems in the body, the spine. Get down on all fours. Place your hands directly under your shoulders and your knees directly under your hips. Keep your arms straight but relaxed. Now, slowly breathe in. As you inhale, let your belly drop toward the floor. Lift your chest slightly upward and tilt your tailbone toward the ceiling. You should feel the front of your body gently opening. Then, slowly breathe out. Round your back upward like a stretching cat. Tuck your chin toward your chest and pull your tailbone inward. Move back and forth slowly for 10 full cycles. 1 slow inhale, 1 slow exhale. No rushing. This movement helps wake up the spine after hours of stiffness and compression. It gently mobilizes the neck, upper back, lower back, shoulders, and hips all at the same time. And for people who spend most of the day sitting, driving, or looking down at phones, this stretch can feel almost shocking the first time they do it properly, because many people do not realize how stiff their spine has become until it finally starts moving again. The cat-cow spine wave also encourages better posture because it teaches the spine how to flex and extend smoothly instead of staying locked into one position all day. And here is something important. When the spine moves better, the rest of the body usually follows. That is why this first stretch often feels like flipping a switch inside the body. But the next movement targets one of the biggest problem areas in modern life, the hips. Sitting for hours slowly tightens the hip flexors, and over time, the lower back often starts taking the pressure. That is where the low dragon comes in. Step your right foot forward into a deep lunge and lower your left knee to the floor. Slowly shift your hips forward until you feel a stretch through the front of the hip and thigh. Hold for 45 seconds, breathe slowly, then switch sides. This stretch helps release tight hip flexors and reduce stress on the lower back. With consistent practice, many people notice smoother walking, less stiffness, and better overall movement. Now comes a movement that quickly reveals how much mobility the body has quietly lost. The deep squat hold. Humans use this position naturally for thousands of years, but modern chairs slowly changed that. Stand with your feet slightly wider than shoulder width and lower into a deep squat. Keep your heels down if possible, press your knees outward with your elbows, and hold for 60 seconds. If needed, place a towel under your heels for support. This one position stretches the hips, ankles, calves, groin, and lower back all at once while improving balance and control. Stay consistent, and movements that once felt stiff can start feeling natural again. Now the next stretch trains something most people barely use anymore, side-to-side movement. The Cossack stretch quickly reveals hidden tightness because it challenges lateral mobility instead of the usual forward and backward motion. Stand with your feet wide apart. Shift your weight to one side while bending that knee and keeping the opposite leg straight. Pause briefly, then move slowly to the other side. Do 10 slow reps total. It may feel awkward at first, and that is completely normal. This stretch opens the hips, groin, inner thighs, hamstrings, and ankles, while improving balance and coordination. Many people notice one side feels tighter than the other, and that imbalance often affects everyday movement. But the next movement targets a kind of stiffness many people blame on aging, when the real issue is lack of rotation. Now let's move into the spinal twist. This stretch may look gentle, but it helps restore movement through the upper and middle back. Sit with your legs extended. Bend your right knee and cross it over your left leg. Place your left elbow outside your right knee and your right hand behind you. Slowly rotate your upper body to the right and hold for 45 seconds. Then switch sides. This movement helps the spine rotate smoothly again while reducing extra stress on the neck, shoulders, and lower back. And for many people, it relieves tension they did not even realize they were carrying. Now comes the final movement, the standing wave. No hard stretching, no painful positions, just one smooth motion that can make the entire body feel lighter in under 2 minutes. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart and soften your knees. Begin with a small bend through the knees, then let that motion rise upward through the hips, back, shoulders, and arms like a gentle wave. Keep it relaxed and continuous for 90 seconds. This movement teaches the body to move as one connected system instead of separate parts. It also helps release tension after deeper stretches, leaving many people feeling calmer, smoother, and more fluid. Mobility is not about forcing the body, it is about helping it move naturally again. Now here is the simple routine that ties everything together. Start with the cat-cow spine wave for 10 slow cycles, then do the low dragon for 45 seconds each side. Hold the deep squat for 60 seconds, perform 10 slow Cossack reps, then finish with the spinal twist and standing wave. Just a few minutes, 3 to 4 times a week. Over time, you may notice smoother walking, easier movement, and less stiffness when standing or getting out of bed. That is why Shaolin monks practice these movements for centuries. Not because they look impressive, but because they work. If you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, and watch the next one to discover the hidden habit destroying your flexibility.